Hey, what's up guys? This is Tips for Traders and we will begin our daily analysis. So let me just show you guys my trade that I took last week. It was on a Friday. So I traded a 0.05. I put a buy, went all the way up, put a take profit up here. I forget, this was up here, the daily range. So I put one right there, and then it went up and it hit a Fibonacci 50% retracement. I'll show you guys actually the chart maybe making a bat pattern. So just wanted to update you guys, and I would have actually traded today, well, last night. However, I didn't, because if we look over here, it was a bank holiday, so I didn't think the market would move, but it actually did move, to my astonishment. I was taken aback. So let's see tomorrow if we have any news. So January 3rd, early in the morning. Right now it's like 10 o'clock p.m. So let's see, we have euro, alright, pound, and I like to trade the pound, so 4:30 a.m. and the market moves, well, Frankfurt opens at 2 a.m., 3 a.m. is London. Alright, so, and we have USD at 10 a.m. So maybe pound yen to trade today, because if we trade pound USD, if this comes out good, price could go up only like probably 50 pips, and then it will stop moving till 10 o'clock a.m. and then we'll have to wait for the USD news, and then the price will then start to move, because when New York opens, nothing is going to happen. But if once pound news comes out and we're trading pound yen, it might just keep on going, because there's no yen news till, and not even tomorrow, nothing significant. So maybe pound yen we should look at, but let's see over here. So the actual for December 1st wasn't so good. So forecast is 53.3. Previous was 53.4. So if we come above 53.3, we should be good. Alright. So let's start the analysis. Okay, daily chart. So let's begin with the pattern that I was telling you guys about. Fresh harmonic patterns, and it's making a bearish bat. So real quick, if you guys check out myforexmagicwave.com, I subscribed for this guy for a good 2 years, and I learned a lot from him. He's a really good harmonic trader, very good Elliott wave trader, and I recommend you guys check him out. Now, subscribing to him, yeah, you could also subscribe. He gives out free charts. He gives out before charts, and he posts the after charts on his website. So, you know, he'll basically give you answers to the questions. So he'll see a pattern, he'll send it to you, and then, you know, you just gotta trade the pattern. That's it. So you basically know, you know, 80% of the time, 90% of the time, where the direction of the market is going. So check out myforexmagicwave.com, and I will not give out his wave strategy, but that's where I got his wave strategy from. And you know, it's just a bunch of moving averages. That's it. It's nothing really big. Go on his YouTube channel, myforexmagicwave.com, and also check him out. So before you subscribe to him, just check his YouTube channel out. He's a very cool guy. I loved him. But yeah, that's pretty. He charges $50 a month. So anyway, for a bearish bat pattern, we know that price. So that from X to A, the retracement has to be between 38.2 to 50%. So let's do it together right now. From here to here, I'm gonna have to take this off real quick, even though I don't want to, but alright, we'll put this down right here. So we have 50%. Okay? Now, from the retracement of A to B needs to be between 38.2 to 88.6. So the retracement alright, I guess let's move it. I don't want to, but so Fibonacci right here. Oh, of course, I already have them drawn, obviously. So I pre-drew this, and you have the 88.6, the 78.6, and the 50. So it didn't hit this. It doesn't really have to hit it. It just has to be between here when it makes the reversal. But let me see something else. Alright, so that's that. Let's put this up here. And what if we bring this up to the candle close? Put this on the candle close. They may be more significant. Yeah. So it pretty much really close to it hits it. It's arguable, but you guys get the point. So that's that. So now what price needs to do, since we have this measurement, price is going to go up to 88.6. So right here, you know, almost to the 100%, 88.6, and then it should go down. So once price breaks this, breaks the 50%, just put a buy, and it should most likely go over here. So you got a good 400 pips to trade. So once it breaks the 50%, we're gonna go up. And you know, what's his name? Samdani. He teaches all of this, and I've been doing this with him for a good 1.5 to 2 years before I actually got it down. So let me just redraw this fib right here. Okay, so let's check out now the indicators. So we know we're possibly going to be in an uptrend. That's for sure. At least I believe so. So we have the Ichimoku all the way down here, bouncing off the trend line. If it breaks, we're definitely going up. We got the green pointing up. We have a lower low, and we have here lower low. So nothing really significant. We could play off of that. So let me just write pound USD daily. We're gonna put an up arrow. So that's what we have. So matter of fact, here, let me do it like this. Up a Word document. Alright. GBP USD daily. We'll put up. Now we're gonna do 4 hour. see what we got here. So we're bouncing off. Alright, so we have 200. Which should be maroon. Up here, that's 200 moving average for the 4-hour chart. Ichimoku's all the way down here. This has to be making a turn somewhere up here. We have a higher high and a lower low. Divergence. Right here. Divergence. So let's do this. We definitely got something going on here. And also bouncing off of that. Okay. Alright, so far this looks good. Looks good. Do we see any waves? Anything? Nope. So up. Now we'll do H1. Drop down, H1. Oh, where was the moving average? Yeah, moving average all the way up there. So now we'll go to H1. So we're hitting the daily pivot. Now, this is where I think we might do another night of a downtrend until New York open. New York might bring it up, London might bring this down, because this almost looks like a wave pattern, or this could be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But I don't know, I think the math is kind of wrong, the Fibonacci way that's supposed to do, but it does look like a wave to me. And this could be the correction. So the correction could be boom, 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 and then we might start going up. So now it's bouncing off the daily pivot, and Ichimoku's pretty high, above the 50. So this might act as resistance, and let's see over here. So here, this would have been a good trade to take once the session opened. A good 20 pips, because look at this: lower low, higher high. Let's see. Let's just do this on the hour chart. I want to make sure I also did it on the 4-hour. Lovely, lovely, lovely. Alright. So, and another reason why I think it might go down is because of this. See this? This definitely just made a higher high. And right here we have a lower low. So potentially down move. Go up a little bit more, but we'll see. Bounce, bouncy bounce. Alright, so that's pretty much it. So possibly down move for London session. We'll add that so people don't get mixed up, but we'll see. But it's hitting the daily pivot. Let me see that 15-minute chart. Uh-oh. Sorry guys. I get paranoid if I don't do this. I really probably shouldn't in this video at least, because I'll be wasting everybody's time, but hopefully I'll get better at this. Bear with me, it's only the first couple videos. So, okay, right here to right here. Yep, it's arguable. We'll see what the 15-minute chart's down. It might come down, bounce off the 800, and go up and hit the average daily range. And look, we got Fibonacci's right here. And if it doesn't, we'll hit this and go down. Probably hit down here, right? I don't know, maybe hit the first support. Who knows? So let's do the daily now for the pound yen. So probably, who knows if we might go down or not. So we bounced off last week the 23.6 of the retracement from here to here. And this, we'll see. So now we're playing around the 38.2. What we need to do, to be honest with you, is put a big Fibonacci and see what's going on. You know what I'm saying? So let's see, why not? But let's get it right on the T. Alright. Let's do that. Mm-mm. 23, 38.2, probably going up here for sure. So we got a good 700 pips. Let's look at the indicators. Higher, no, lower high, probably if we do reverse right here, and lower low. So, do you see this? Right here, possibly uptrend, wave 1, correction, who knows, we'll see. This could take weeks, guys, weeks. But look at this though. See where, here's the Ichimoku. It's a low Ichimoku for a daily. Now could you imagine if you would have caught this down here? That would have been lovely. So, and we could be having a cross right here, and this could be going up to test the trend line again. So let's do GBP, JPY, daily, we'll say up. Now 4 hour. Alright, so see lower low, so lower low, nothing significant, but this, no, nothing significant either. 4 hour, and this is pretty high, so the correction still might not be done on the daily, so this might still go down. Yeah, and we have some resistance here. I know there is. Isn't there something over here? No, nothing. I thought there was something. I mean, it says monthly rectangle. This is too confusing. So, oops. So the 4 hour. So 4 hour looks like to be going down. See, I would have said it would have been going up if the stochastic made a lower low and this made a higher low. I would have been like, alright, boom, let's go up. But so far, my bet, it might be going down. So 4 hour. Down. And also depending on the news. So if the news comes out bad, definitely this is going to go down. Possibly to test the daily 200, which is the 1200 moving average on the 4 hour chart. Or it might test the 200. Yeah, it's going to most likely test the 200. It's a good 100 pips. You know, you never know. Sometimes it does go, oh no, it's not going to go down 200 pips. Maybe because it's the, you know, after the new year, because of the new year, it might make a nice move down. So who knows? We'll see. Let's go down here. Bouncing off the daily. Ooh, looks like a nice head and potentially head and shoulders with a down move. 200 moving average. Lower low, higher low, and this is making a lower low down here. So maybe that's why I might bump it up over here and then come back down. Let's see over here. This is going up. This is a little bit too high, so it might break through it for a little bit. We'll see. But what do we got going on over here? Lower low, higher low. Alright. So this is iffy. This is definitely iffy, but possibly down. Possibly, I would say down. So H1, possibly down move for London. Let me check the 15. See where we at. Alright, come on, I want. Alright, there we go. Daily pivots. 200. Catching up. Boom, boom. This is pretty high. Daily range. Alright. So possibly definitely going down. Alright, let's go back to the 1 hour. Alright, USD yen daily. See what we got going on here. Alright, I do have a Fibonacci, so that's good. Let me take this off, there's too many lines. Oh damn, I had that here too. My bad, guys. Alright, so alright, this is the regular Fibonacci for this. Since we're assuming it's going to retrace, these are monthly rectangles, so these are monthly pivots that we should be looking out for. Here we have the retracement of this, and we're up to 76.4. We just bounced off the fan, 76.4. Let's zoom in a little bit. Alright. Get rid of that. So let's bring this up. this bad boy up. Let's bring this bad boy up. Alright. Daily Ichimoku is going up. So we could potentially go down for sure on this one. This could definitely break. I'm going to make this clearer. So the scale, the line, we'll do a nice black. We don't even need to do that. Do it like that. What? Black. Unbelievable. Honestly, unbelievable. Alright, I'm not going to play around with it right now, so let's see. Alright. Going down potentially. So, let's do USD, JPY, daily, down. H4. Ooh, did I have the moving average on the daily? Yeah, I did. Damn, that's a far moving average. Ouch. Alright, 4 hour. Maroon. Alright, what do we got here? Anything special? We could connect this. Let's take this off. And we could connect that, but I won't. So let's see if we'll go down and bounce off of it. Might hit that. It might definitely go down to here, but that's a long way. No, it's not that long. Oh, okay. We got a different ball game here. Got a lower low, lower low. Could be arguable. Lower, low, lower, low. Wouldn't even matter anyway. But over here, low, higher, a lower high, and a higher high. Gotcha. Gotcha. Playing those games on me. Alright. Boom. And definitely boom. Right over here. Alright. So USDN down move. Check that out. Possibly New York. Possibly New York. And that means the news might come out bad. So, if the news comes out bad and pound comes out good, so go up for sure. And if this goes down, yen's getting stronger. That means pound's gonna get weaker. And yen gets strong here. So we definitely got a down move. And pound USD, since the USD is gonna get weaker, pound could go up. But these are two pairs to look at. Down move, 4-hour chart. RSI, Ichimoku's high, RSI right here. It's on the 50. Could definitely break this and go down. Okay, so we'll say down move for the 4 hour. Let's see where the daily pivot's at. Looks like another head and shoulders. Possibly. A quick head and shoulders. See, this is what I was talking about, guys. Yesterday, with the bank holiday, the pair moved a good 60 to 70 pips. So, could have been nice to cash up on it, but it is what it is. So, we could go down, test this for sure. Break the 200. We have a Fibonacci right here. Why do we have a Fibonacci? Forgot what Fibonacci that was. So let me look at what Fibonacci this is. Alright, so this is this Fibonacci right here. From here to here. Okay. So daily pivot. Yeah, it could definitely go down. Let's see. Lower low. Higher high. I mean, lower high. Could be a bump up. But what this might make is, matter of fact, let me just double check. So I don't want to give you guys wrong information on the daily. So if we have a higher high and a lower high, what do we have here? We have, look at that. A higher high, and a lower high. Higher high, lower high, down move. You guys see that, right? So it could be definitely going down more. And we could also argue that we have, well, no, we can't argue. Ooh, but look at that. Yeah, this is definitely, so this was a lower low, and a higher low, lower low, higher low, lower low, higher low, gave us the up move. And so you could do so much with the stochastic, for real, for real. So possibly going down, and if not, pivot here, lower low, and a higher low, lower low, higher low, possibly up move. I only have one lower low example here. Well, not really. This is two. I wouldn't count that as an example. Okay, so let's see this. Looks like a cross, but no, it's probably not gonna cross. I mean, look, it's above the 70. It could definitely go down. So right here. Yeah, this is definitely questionable. Questionable, but most likely down. So H1 questionable, but most likely down. Let's take a look at the 15. Every time. Alright, so we have this right here. Let's see what we got going on here. Ooh, look at that. Possibly going down London. Yeah, USDN possibly going down London. Yeah, but I can't say this looks like a lower low. But this definitely looks like a higher low and a higher high. Even over here, higher low. Yeah. So let me see what that means. A lower high. Lower high. Ooh. Lower high and a higher high. Lower high and a right here, higher high. Down move. But remember, guys, remember the 15-minute chart, you know, the divergence, they're tricky to trade. You know, only usually trade the higher time frames, but you know, this looks pretty good. So just keep that, we'll keep this in mind. Alright, in the daily range. So we still got a good 100. So could go down to R2. I mean support 2. S2. We'll see what happens. So let's go back to the 1 hour and we'll leave it there. Now Euro USD. Lower low. Alright, well before we do that, let's see if we got anything significant. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Nah. Doesn't make sense to me. 1. Then we could do 2. Then we could do a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And that'll be 3. So this would be a subwave. Oh, wait, I forgot about this. So this could be 1, 2, and then 3, which is going to be a lot longer, but then there will be a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 correction. So then this will be 1, 2, and then 3 in the subwave. Wow, we got a lot to work here. So USD might be getting stronger on a daily chart. So let's see. But enough with that. Lower low, higher low, up move. Interesting. Even this made it. RSI, breaking through it for sure. Yeah, I would definitely put a buy on this bad boy. So, EUR, USD, daily, up, H4, let's find out. Look at this. Look at that. Even here. Well, no, not even here. But here. Yeah. This is definitely interesting. This is definitely interesting right here. We got divergence on the 4-hour chart. I'm calling it up. I'm calling it up. So we have up. Get a little bit too excited. Oops. What the hell is this? Okay, let's go to 1 hour. Higher high. A higher high. And a lower high. Well, we're not looking at a higher high. We're looking for a... Wait, what is this right here? Ah, for sure. Definitely some divergence right here. Definitely. So we got a lower low. Lower low, higher low. Divergence. So let me see, what do we got here? We got a higher high on the stochastic. So we got a higher high, on the stochastic, and we're gonna have a lower high, and then this would be a down move. Ugh, I don't like this. So but yeah, this is up, so it might go up to the 70. Who knows? But we'll see. So this is I don't know. H1 is iffy. So we'll put iffy. And I'll check back with it like around 2 o'clock. Alright, let me check the 15-minute chart. I don't see a divergence for sure, but I would say it would go up and hit this the 200 H4. How many pips is that? Yeah, 70. Why not, right? So this is where we're at. Just wanted to show you guys how I do my daily analysis, and if I take a trade, I'll see if I could record it. I'll post it up, but I don't know how to like speed up time in the recording with Microsoft Expression. So if anybody knows, put it in the comment box. I tried to look up videos, couldn't find anything. So that's pretty much it. Alright, take care guys.